Alright, so currently I'm looking at this liquidity grab on gold. We grabbed this low and this low right here. We already got the break of the candle, so I am a little bit late. I'm not going to enter unless I get a pullback to my entry. So if we get that pullback, you'll see me get in for buys.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in for buys. Let me see something real quick. Stop or take profit's gonna go to 306.9. Actually, wait, that's wrong. I feel a little bit weird about this setup. I don't know if I'm gonna hold this. If this wants to reject and play around, I'll probably get out early, just because this is a little bit of an iffy setup in my opinion. Take profit's gonna go to 3,307.3, 3,307.3. Alright, let's see what this wants to do. Yeah, this is gonna be one of those trades, bro. I'm about to get stopped out. Nothing you could do. Unfortunate. I feel like the setup wasn't bad. It was just, one of those setups they just didn't want to play out. I would say one thing that definitely I didn't do right was I came to the markets a little too early. It's only 3:40 or something like that. I mean, usually I'll take trades at like 4 o'clock, 4:15, or 5, but I took this one earlier than usual. I don't think that's the reason that this lost, though. I just think that this setup didn't want to play out. So, I mean, nothing you could do. I just lost profits from yesterday or 2 days ago, which doesn't feel too good. Actually, I lost more. I lost profits plus more, which sucks, but...
Stop filled.
Damn, bro, I actually took a fat ass L on that. Alright, well, I'm going to take one more trade if we see something. I don't think I'm going to see anything because realistically the markets look like some shit. But if I do see something, I'll take it. If not, that's just going to be it for the video. So far I lost 1,300, which is just detrimental, bro. But whatever. Yeah, I'll just cut the video here unless I find another trade. Alright, so as you guys just seen, we lose on this liquidity grab on gold. I think it's about to throw another liquidity grab. Obviously, we're grabbing this low right here. So with this trade, I'll probably get an aggressive just because I want to try to make profits back plus more. So yeah, if we close above the blue line, I'm just going to instantly get in for buys. I'm not even going to wait for the break of the candle. So yeah, let's just see what happens with this liquidity grab zone.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in for buys. Stop loss is going to go underneath the red candle. And then I just need to calculate my take profit. So boom. And then 1-to-1. Damn, I can't. This is not. Alright, there we go. 3297.3. 297.3 right here. So that does not look right. Am I tripping? What the fuck? Oh, because I got it, bro. Yeah, because I got it like right here. And then 1-to-1 right here. 296. 296.0. Still doesn't look right, but whatever. That's gonna be my take profit. So let's just see what happens with this liquidity grab. All right, so this shit's looking like it's gonna win. Um, because I just lost, I'm thinking I might want to move my take profit a little bit higher. I just gotta figure out where I want to do that. Like, where do I want to put my take profit? And right now, what looks clean to me is on 3,300 on the dot. So let's do that. Let's put the take profit to 3,300 on the dot, and just hope that this shit does not reverse. Because what's been happening to me a lot lately when I take liquidity grabs is price will literally go to my initial 1-to-1 and then it will fuck me, and then I just feel like shit for the rest of the day, because it's like, bro, I lost money on a trade I should have won on, you know. So hopefully this doesn't want to play around and we can catch a nice dub today.
Order filled. Order filled.
Finally, bro, shit. It was like playing around at my take profit. So what was that, like a $1,700 win? Overall, only made $350 because I took like a $1,400 loss right before that. But hey, it played out. We ended the day with some profits. Can't be mad. So done for the day. We still have Friday to trade, and then that's pretty much it for the week. So hopefully we can end this week off profitable and good. That's pretty much the goal. And next week we come back and do the same shit. I'm just gonna end the video here. Actually, let me go over this trade real quick. So obviously, right? Let me go to regular gold. Obviously, the first trade we took was this liquidity grab on these lows right here. I'm gonna circle them for you. This low, this low. You can see where I'm gonna go in replay mode. This red wick came underneath both these lows, didn't close below, closed above the highs, or yeah, I guess closed above these lows, these blue lines, right? Gave us the candle break, and then obviously I was in for a 1-to-1. That trade wanted to play me, take me out, and then I noticed that after doing that, it grabbed this low, this major swing low, with this red candle, obviously, and then I took that, and the rest was history. Now I went for more than a 1-to-1 ratio on this trade because I wanted to make more. I wanted to cover some losses, obviously from the previous loss. So I think I went for like a 1.5 R instead of a 1-to-1 ratio. A little risky. Definitely don't like doing runners because it does not feel good when when your trade hits your 1-to-1 and then reverses and hits your stop loss. That shit sucks. But we got blessed today, and yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna try to overtrade. I'm not gonna look at the charts anymore. I'm just gonna call it a day and end it off on a good note. So